control of this unit, start it up, get it moving, and then bring it to a stop. Start by climbing aboard the unit. Enter through the cab door in front of you. Take a look around, and when you're ready, have a seat in the driver's chair. First, you need to get the engine up and running. Set the reverser handle into the neutral position. That alarm is the AWS self-test system. You need to charge the brakes before we start the engine to ensure the train does not. When you're ready, hit the engine start button on the desk to get the engine. Now, set the headlights to day. Put the train in forwards so we're ready to get moving. Using the reverser again. By setting the throttle brake to off, they will start to release. Nearly there. Now apply some power and get this unit moving. Ease the throttle brake handle into... You're performing great and showing real confidence. All you need to do now is bring this unit to a gradual stop. Set the throttle brake handle. You're performing great and showing real confidence. All you need to do now is bring this unit to a gradual stop. Set the throttle brake handle to braking 1 to apply a small amount of braking force.